So I'm here in Google Colab, which is a place where you can have free Python notebooks and you can run them. And what we're going to do today is generate some fake or auto-generated geospatial data. So what I have right here, we'll go down through this and I'll give you access to this notebook afterwards if you want to go recreate this by yourself. Some simple steps. So we're going to use Pandas and Numpy. We're going to import them, and then we're going to generate some fake data. We got a schema here, and we're going to say, hey, let's do some random choice on these 5 attributes, and we'll say we want 100 rows. Then we're going to auto-generate the fake latitude and longitude, and then we are going to make a data frame and then print that data frame out. From there, some more things that we can do. Just real quick, diving into Matplotlib, we can import a pie plot or a pie chart, as you might know it. And then what we can do here is get the count of the different values in this crime type column right here. So we have vandalism, burglary, assault, and so on. And we just want basically the sum of those values, and we wanted to see what across the board we're getting here. So from here we're building out a pie plot, and we're using our labels and the counts of those labels, and then we are adding some styling and then outputting that chart. This is a really simple breakdown into how we can go in here and get started with a project with something that has some coordinates like a crime data set, and just get right to work working with some Python. So anyhow, I hope this was a helpful video for you. Go ahead and check the description for some of the for the notebook and everything. And if this is helpful to you, please like and subscribe, and have a good one.